What you think, bro?
I'm in love with this one.
You in love with it?
Already, man. You can't tell me shit.
Oh.
Turn the car in circles until the time's blast. Out the window like, hey, cuss. On the hood of the state.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today, y'all see the MC, the other MC. But, oh yeah, shout out to bro, man.
What up, bro?
All right, so we about to, I'm about to show bro this Monte Carlo. It came in real late last night. I got it from Copart, so it is gonna be a Copart rebuilt video type of deal. We're gonna show y'all all the damage, and you know, we're gonna show y'all everything that it came with, shit that we need, and bro's further plans with it. Oh, iRox should be coming tomorrow, so check out tomorrow's video. I went with the black machine. Bro got the chrome, but I think the black machine will go good with this combination because I got a black and blue thing going on anyway, even though that's carbon fiber. But yeah, guys, bro then tore off the frame off this.
Oh, man.
I gotta go look at this shit though. Bro said, shit, I just gave that to my girl. She can have that motherfucker. He said, you keep it, I don't want it. I'm a,
I got what I want.
he just gave it to you. Well, shit, it ain't that bad. He need to replace the whole bumper. The bumper was already messed up in the first place. Yeah, no, he did not change the mirror, y'all. I know a lot of y'all said, bro, man, he threw on the 20, what was it, 20 what?
24.
24, didn't give it down like he did.
Then got hit.
You just get, who was driving that one? That guy hit you?
He early in the morning.
Oh,
He's gonna pull out his parking spot and just shit, ram my shit. Like,
oh, for real.
yeah,
Oh, well. He said, fuck this cut. He said, fuck it. Hold on.
Good baby.
Hell yeah. But anyways, guys, man, so we about to go over here. Bro been waiting all fucking day. I've been at the auction. He been hitting me up for shit. He actually been asking all week. But I just won it on Tuesday. So what is that? How many days? 2 days ago?
Is that Monday?
Yeah, that's 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
So I won it 2 days ago in Texas. Oh, was that Monday? That was Monday.
That was Monday.
So that was 3 days ago.
Yep. But today Wednesday.
Today Wednesday. So yeah, it was Monday. Today Wednesday. So we've been waiting. He's been waiting. I've been waiting. I got to see it a little bit, but it was dark outside, so I didn't. But there's a surprise that I need to show bro. I don't know.
I don't like surprises.
I got a surprise for you, bro. I got a surprise for you, but hey, I was like, man, I was kind of feeling like it's not a bad surprise. It was a surprise that made me like, damn, I should have kept this one. Sold them this Monte Carlo. It's that kind of surprise. So I was like, damn.
Oh shit.
So we're gonna see how good a shape this one is. I need to see it in the daytime. We're gonna check the fluid and everything. Bro gonna drive it to the mechanic shop where they can rebuild everything for us. I know the AC blow ice cold and the battery is good. It starts right up. Starts right up. I don't want to tell you too much, but it's straight. And you know I had to pick you up with the MC. I wasn't even driving the MC today. I had to pull him out. Had to pull out Carla. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all when we get to the car or go pick it up. And we're gonna have bro drive it. He gonna tell y'all how to drive. I don't know how to get out this way. So yeah, I'm gonna have bro drive it so he can make sure it's a good car and everything before he spends all this money on rebuilding it or fixing it up. He need to know which route, but it needs to, hey, either way it goes, this motherfucker needs to be put back together correctly. And it's gonna look right. Like shit, Monte Carlos is getting harder to find, at least in our region. In our area, it's hard to find. I don't know where it is. It's Chicago or Miami or wherever y'all be saying that there's a gang of them. Y'all see them all day, but they only made these cars for 2 years. They only made these cars for 2 years, guys. So with the 5.3 in them, we're not talking about when y'all be saying, "Oh, y'all seen one the other day." Yeah, it was an SS, but it had the 3800 non-supercharged. Like they're not the same cars. So yeah, y'all got. We're more specific what we looking for. This is black interior, all black Monte Carlo SS. Bro really wanted the black, all black. I did not check the sunroof. It got the sunroof, but I didn't check to see did it work. But it needs some work, y'all. But we gonna get to it, man. We're gonna see what bro got to say about it. Bro like, oh shit, work. All right, y'all. We on to the next. Let's get it. And here go a little glimpse of it. I don't know what bro thinking. But they got a lot of the parts, like, so from the picture that was in there, y'all know, like the underpiece, you know, like the part that's carbon on mine. So it was in the picture of Copart, but they did not put it in the trunk, but they got everything else on this car, including fenders, everything, bumper, everything. So I guess it's better than replacing everything. This was somebody's baby. Like, I'm gonna show y'all when we get to the mechanic shop, but this was somebody's baby. And I guess they're just trying to fix some dents and scratches or whatever, trying to make the car brand new again. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna see what bro thinks. I didn't get to drive the car. It don't have no oil leaks at the bottom, no transmission leaks, no leaks at all. The car got 90,000 miles on it. Like, it's really, yeah, it's good. Let me see, can I get on the side? See what bro thinks. Let me see, can I see bro? Hey, bro, they're cheesy. He liked it. I want to make sure he was good. It sounds good too, and it got an exhaust leak, y'all. But it sounds real good for a car that got an exhaust leak. Like, man, I know y'all excited about seeing this Monte Carlo build. I know I am. I can't wait to get my damn IROCs tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get on this side for y'all can see the other body part of the car, if I can stick the camera out this side of the window. But yeah, man, yeah, so we're gonna get to it, man. Hold on, let me see, can I get on the side real quick? Oh yeah, the headlights are not in the car, so it got some aftermarket headlights too. I can't wait to show y'all, man. Like, we're about to get into it, but damn, I think I did pretty good bidding on it. Shit, I was like, damn. And there's a surprise I gotta show y'all. Like, I gotta show y'all, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just tell y'all, fuck it, there's no damn surprise. So on my dash, it says 140. On this car's dash, it says 220. I did a little research last night. This car came from Canada, so it's probably kilometers or whatever. I don't know, you know what I mean? So bro, we got on this side. Hey bro, get on this side if I can record you on that side. Yeah. Hey, you can't tell him shit. Hey, we switching lanes in the MCs though. Hey, we making the MCs look cool again. So he bringing it back though. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. We got a Camaro, man. That motherfucker look clean. I don't know. I got the vision for it. With it rolling down the street. Y'all see it. I gotta see the vision, man. No fenders, no nothing, man. Y'all see it, man. Lucky wasn't doing shit, man. But I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get over here. I'm gonna pay attention to this, bro. I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get over here to this mechanic shop. Let's get it. So what you think, bro?
Shit, I'm in love with this one.
You in love with it?
Already, man. You can't tell me shit. This motherfucker running, boy.
Oh, yeah. What is that? There's on the front, they got this spare. See, what I'll do is fucking put that white shit. You put an IROCs on there anyways. So, we got this little piece that go at the bottom. We got the door panel. We got the other fender that's scratched up. We got this, they could probably sand this down and clear coat it. They could probably bring this back, sand it down. Yeah, headlights up in there. Really don't want to take everything out. So we got these headlights. We already got the headlights, so we don't gotta get that. We got the grills. We got the grills right here. There's so much shit they stuffed in this. I don't wanna take everything out, bro. But they got everything up in here. Everything that we need except for the little bottom part. I'm gonna tell you the little, what is it, chin spoiler they call it? Like this part, this whole part, all the way from here, the whole thing. We got the centerpiece, but we don't got this little part that go across. So, and in the picture at Copart they had it, but if I would have went to go picked it up, I probably would have been like, oh, where's that piece that was in the picture? It's probably laying somewhere out there. I want to call it Savage Yard, but somewhere out there in the yard at Copart. But so yeah, the door panel's off. I don't know what exactly it was doing. The door handles right here. So basically stuff just need to be put back together, sanded down, and I guess fixed or whatever. It starts right up. It's not dead or nothing. Battery's good. Starts right up. AC blow ice cold. There's no lights on at all. This was somebody's baby, like for real. Hey, and then look to the 20. Man, that motherfucker's player. You can change it. You can switch it. You can switch it from kilometers to miles per hour. That shit go hard. I don't know how you switch it. Oh, from going to Matrix. Yeah, that shit crazy. Y'all see, I hope y'all can see that, man. 220 on the dash. Engine sounding good. I want y'all to hear it. Engine sounding good. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker engine sound. This motherfucker sound way better than my damn engine. I'll tell you that damn much. But it's all good. I'm gonna do some work to my engine. Probably gonna order me a can and then air filter too. Keep that heat from going in there. That's what I might do too also. Oh yeah, all that shit worked. Man, they was trying to repair it and they was in the middle of repairing the shit.
I was making sure they wasn't trying to fix the fucking window, bitch. Nah, clip this shit.
Let them put all that shit on there, bro. They just put it on there. You gotta hook it up underneath. You gotta line it up. There's some things underneath. You gotta line it up. All right, so we got that already on. So they was just standing there trying to repair it. They could have left all that shit on the car and redid it. Alright, so bro, let's see. This shit body. This is a Canadian. Bro, this is a Canadian car.
Canadian?
Yeah, that's why I got the 220. 220 under there?
Yeah, I think
Might be under. You think so?
We're finna find out. Hopefully we got another surprise. Shit. Looks like something up under there. Could be just a donut though. Who take their time to do all that?
Donut.
Trash. They
Wah,
probably
wah, wah.
They probably fucked
Got the fog lights. Make sure we get these fog lights in that bitch.
bullshit like that.
You gotta fix it right off the back, cause bro, I know you gonna. If you take it like this, you gonna be.
I'm driving it like this.
Yeah, he gonna drive it like this. Bro, don't give a damn. We gotta. That's why I said let's just drop this bitch off straight over here. Just got it dropped off yesterday. So yeah, that shit says miles per hour, kilometer hour. Mine don't even say shit like that in there, man. I'm feeling salty. I swear. got 220 on the dash. Oh, mine's got that too. Mine's got the kilometers, miles per hour. I don't know, but his shit says 220 on the dash. Man, I don't know, you guys. Let me go holler at Jenna. Let me call my mechanic and let him know we're dropping this bitch off, or we can get to what we need to be doing. We riding back up in Carla, man. Bro, hey, what you got plans? I know you going throwing the IROX on there.
Throwing the IROX on there and shit. Just to really see how it clean up once everything is
You gotta clean it up first.
Yeah,
Well, you gonna go with beats in that car or no?
I don't know, man. That motherfucker's so clean. I don't even want to touch it.
I think with that car you need trunk space. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Unless you take the beats out of that. Well, you already got everything hooked up.
I might put a little clean setup in there. You know, I gotta have my music.
At least door speakers and 6x9s.
Yeah. Cause that motherfucker is right though. I don't know though. Who knows, man? That bitch is good though.
Maybe you might want to put like 110 on the side. Have someone build like a little private box on the side.
Yeah, a little something.
I don't know. Shit.
Crazy, but we'll see once the
I don't like beats in all my cars though. I be needing trunk space and shit. You might want to ride out of town in that thing. You know what I mean?
That motherfucker is ready to go. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch is
Unless you make the other car the car that you throw stuff in the back.
Oh, the other money car.
You don't want to make both of them the show car. You don't want both of them to be beating out. You want one of them to be the fun car.
I might switch my beats over to the.
Yeah, cause it's a V8, but it'll also make the supercharger more faster. So you put the little wheels on that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the little wheels on that one. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, the baby rim.
The baby rims, little 20s on there. I think those was some 20s on there.
Yeah. On that car?
Yeah, probably try to find a mate to that.
I'll find the other one, because those some clean ass rims. And those rims are like, they're not no cheap ass knockoff rims. They actually name brand. You might want to do your research and find some of those. They're not bad looking rims.
Yeah, they don't look bad. They actually look pretty good on that Monte Carlo, so I know they look okay on the other Monte Carlo.
Turn this down.
We got all the Monte Carlos.
Huh?
So we got all the money.
All of them. We gonna buy them all up. So we're gonna get your shit right. We're gonna ride with brother-in-law. We're gonna ride with Melly. Shit.
It's crazy.
And whoever got them MCs out there, but hey, we got them V8 things though. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Gotta collect them all. They're like Pokemon. Gotta collect them all. Gotta collect them all.
The game now got that V8 thing now.
Hell yeah.
With the 220 on the dash, it's over with.
Got the 220 on the dash, no seat belts.
Yes, sir, nigga. What? That motherfucker gonna be riding. That bitch is running strong too.
Hell yeah. I'm bust right here at the light.
Bust it right.
At the light. All right. Hell yeah, guys, man. Anything you want to say?
Shit, nigga, Lucky Nation all the way, nigga. Grind don't stop, nigga. And grinding hard for them motherfuckers. Staying patient. Patience is key, because I would have got myself fucked in a bad deal, man. For real, but I just stayed down, stayed patient. And shit,
Yeah.
It came.
Hell yeah. I think we got a good deal. Like you said, there's no oil, no transmission leaks, none of that shit.
That motherfucker's clean head to toe. Like, man, I really should just straighten them up and just shit, keep them like, nigga, really just all original.
Hell yeah.
Right there.
But anyways, guys, man, shout out to the whole Lucky Nation. But just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, look what it is, and I'm out. Yay!
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss. On the hood of the scraper. Like